Masipis, aba, mira ba na TV bagay mo do? How to row a boat?
Kim! Huwag yung masobe!
Oo ka pa po.
Kim! Kim!
Sabay kayo para straight.
Kim, takitiwan ako. Kim, kusa ba? Nasa kay version. Yo, okay lang, pero mira po ko makin. Busit mo.
Takaragat ko minus yung kito.
Guys, takot sila! Oh! Wow!
Huwag ka mali. My goodness.
Nag-check sila anak. Josh, row Josh.
Hey, Josh! Basaan ba to? We're going to Baguio City!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim here and today I'm super excited to take you on a journey from Zamboanga City all the way to the beautiful and cool Baguio City.
Me and my family. Yes. Then we're sleeping in the back. Punta kaming Baguio. Tutulog muna kami. See you later guys. Bye. Okay guys, good morning. So, dito na kami ngayon sa Baguio. So, time check, it's 4:52 AM. Pakalamig dito guys. Grabe. Bibili muna kami ng taho. Kalinti pa no? So guys, strawberry taho. Mainit-init pa.
I've heard so much about this and it's finally time to try it. It's sweet, creamy, and has those delicious strawberry bits. A perfect start to the day.
Bibili kayo ng taho dito. Sisigaw lang kayo. Taho! Order pa tayo guys. Napakasarap. May strawberry talaga siya sa taho. So yan.
Kasama nyo?
Oo. Punta siya magsaserve sa lapit sa sasakyan. Napakalamig! Mainit-init pa guys, oh.
Ako ng Baguio.
Basta umaga, mainit-init pa, no?
Oh.
Yan yung strawberry.
Legit. Legit talaga yan.
Legit na strawberry guys. Josh, okay, wala. 28. Yung dalawa lang. Hindi ko. Yay!
Strawberry! Hello, good morning baby. Joaquin. We're in Baguio now, Baguio City. Say hi guys.
You give crackers to guys.
Say hi guys.
Nag-vlog to?
Hi guys.
Tapos hindi ito free yung magod kilulong sino, magod kilulong mo.
Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Kuya tutore. Kuya tutore.
Guys, say good morning guys. Next up is Baguio Cathedral. It's one of the most iconic landmarks here with a stunning view of the city.
So, for our first stop, dito kami sa Cathedral Church. Cathedral.
It's the perfect spot for some reflections and a few photos.
Hello guys! Dito kami sa Cathedral, Baguio City! Yay! Our first stop and first day. So, yay!
Are you enjoying the show, love?
Hala sir.
Huh? Are you enjoying? It's so cold, man.
What you gonna brew? Buyong mo daw.
Stress pwede ko toothpaste na nante.
Okay man. Doon pala.
After exploring
Pega,
the
pega.
cathedral, it's time for breakfast at Good Days Restaurant. They're known for their affordable and delicious food. I
Hello.
ordered a hearty breakfast with a hot chocolate.
AI robot. Robot guys. So ignorante kami guys kay taga Zamboanga man kami. Wala dun sa amin ganun. So magbre-breakfast muna kami dito sa may is kuya oh. Sa Good Taste Baguio City. Yeah. Okay. Have a seat.
We're at Baguio! Smile! Smile, smile, smile! Yung Batman!
Wagin. Let's beat this robot. Hindi kita pwede dapat. Oh? Dapat ang robot ang mag-a-adjust sa amin. Oh, diba? Adjust ka, George. Ma-adjust siya. Adjust siya sa amin. Adjust siya sa amin. Nauna kami dito. Ito nag-adjust. Dali mo yan mga kape dyan. Dali lang. Masabi pa kasi sa flavor.
Wala otro man kita bote.
May pala probasit kasi.
Kailan to daw? Order lang lang.
Dito sa Baguio City, Burnham Park, pwede kayo mag-Zumba early in the morning. Yeah.
Kasya na kayo anin, no? Pwede sumobra ng 30 minutes kasi...
Ano ba yan? Yan o, boat?
Oo.
200 na lang sir. Ano sir?
Bibigay lang kami ng 200 pagka dalawang tao.
Pag dalawang tao?
Oo. Pagka marami,
Kasi mabigat, no?
Oo. 250 lang.
Shoutout muna sir.
Ha?
Sa vlog. Okay, 250. Lahat kami.
Oo. Sige.
Okay. Sana sir?
Dito.
Malaki ba yung bangka?
Limahan talaga yan, animan.
O may fish food pa oh. Pwede kayo
Yeah, pagka pagkain. Pagka
Pagkain.
bumili kayo niyan,
May
pagkain
isda.
naging sa malalaki isda dyan.
Pwede ulit sir.
Hindi, ano yan,
Tilapia siguro yan.
tilapia.
30 pesos each.
Pagka dalawa,
50.
50.
Mura, 10 peso discount.
oo.
Gaano kalaki yung isda? Yung pagkain.
Wala pala.
Wala. Yun lang.
Yung beach.
In each,
Beach.
bird seed. Parang ganun.
Oo.
Wala pa? Bilisan namin.
Ito, wala pa. Sige, mag-best muna kayo.
Oh, best. So, mag-vest muna kami guys. Live vest. Para makasakay kami dito sa binta nila.
250?
Sa Burnham Lake boating area. 250 pesos for 6 passengers.
How to row a boat.
Kim! Kumaki wa sobe!
Go ka pa po.
Kim!
Sabay kayo pa rin.
Kim, takitiwan ako. Kim, kusa bang? Let's kay Bird. Yo, okay lang, pero mira pa ko makit. Pusit ba? Kakaragat ko na si Oki to.
Guys, takot sila! Wow!
Magkamali. My goodness.
Check it, anak. Josh, bro, Josh.
Oy, Josh! Basaan ba to?
Victor!
Ako sa Victor! Victor na walking! Ako sa dati.
Ay, Kim, pinapunta ulit si Joaquin.
Morning, relax! Try kami di ba ibabaki?
Ay! Ay!
Kaya mo na! Hindi pa nagkami ang tormento sa...
Sabihin niya ba? Hindi ayun na. Baby, tayo na. Hindi na mo takalan ko.
Bira Josh, pwede ya. Yeah, dito rin doy.
Baka nang itasuan ka. Ay! Kim! Kaya nga sira ng ano, GoPro para
Every night I see you. I see you. 0.5. We're walking guys here in Burnham.
Tapos na po? Hawakan mo. Ikaisin niya.
Good morning, my pogi baby.
Good morning, love.
Kiss daddy. Kiss kung daddy.
Give daddy laway. Give daddy laway, love.
No visit to Baguio City is complete without a stroll in Burnham Park. There's so much to do here. You can rent a bike, go boating, or just enjoy the scenery.
Hey, Viking guys. Dito si Denver guys.
Back to back vlog.
Biking. Guys, it's very kansaw. Kansaw man pedal.
Hi guys!
Okay, change
Passenger!
Change driver and passenger. Pergi. Kanta po. Ito na yo, Kengi.
Change yung peso ko daw muli.
Ay.
Bye-bye! Bolbia kami, Fairview. Ito,
Passenger princess.
Luna, your turn!
The wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and round. Round and round. Yo, hey, what's up? Hey! Hello! Hello, birthday!
George, nasa ni George.
Okay, kilig. Row your boat.
Gently down the stream. If you see your Pagkagaya, don't forget to scream.
And that wraps up my morning itinerary in Baguio City. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me from the delicious strawberry taho to the beautiful cathedral and the fun in Burnham Park. This city has so much to offer. If you're planning a trip, I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this vlog. And let me know in the comment section what your favorite spot in Baguio is. See you in the next adventure. Bye!
Guys, in order kami in a restaurant. Just piece of egg.
Just an egg for my baby.
Oh, di Joaquin. Boiled egg. Nambot oh, si Batman, jutay.
Hungry na ang Batman.
Oh, Joaquin, si Pedro te mira que tu grande ha. Kung pakat yung egg para contigo. Dahil to kami yung egg si kada grande ha.
Daddy?
Oh, may to kila tu ben kunamde ha oh.
Labi ba naganda?
Joaquin oh, ah.
Labi so big.
Ay, so big ba? Half lang. Look, diba? Abierto to yung boca. Okay. Yummy! Diba? Alegre tu Joaquin ha? Pinita mo yung daddy jutay.